Right, today we're going to bring some headphones, and these are Type C. These are perfect for your iPhone 15 or anything with actually a Type C connection. It could be for the iPad or it could be for the Droid also too. Now, I like that they give you an extra attachment here, and this actually embeds in your ear. So if you want to curve it down, so if you're going to be running or exercising, this is perfect. It's going to latch out really good. It has a beautiful design on the outside, if you guys can see that. Very elegant. And then it has the buttons also, the usual buttons to answer phone calls, drop calls, volume up, volume down, and also if you're going to play music, you fast forward and rewind. Very simple. And of course, it's a Type C, so as soon as you attach it, no changes on any of the systems need to be made. It's automatically just going to pick up any kind of music that you have playing. Very simple to adjust, and you don't have to do any modifications or any connections to any of the systems actually. So this is a pretty good, and they have various colors. They have two different type of colors that I've seen, but you could customize them however you like. These are feather, so it's a cable. If you miss the cables, this is pretty much. It doesn't require any batteries, no Bluetooth, no nothing. It's a straight connection. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.